Hi students, welcome to the next lecture of Electronic Measurements and Instrumentation. My name is TSS Nagapavan Kumar and today our topic is differential voltmeter. In this video lecture we will see the concept of differential voltmeter. So the name itself it is saying that the differential voltmeter, that is the voltage is measured based on the difference in between two sources, that is the basic one, and this is a generalized model we are using in the laboratories for differential voltmeter. So it can operate with the AC voltages, otherwise we can operate with the DC voltages. So based on the difference of these two, one is the difference value and another one is the measured voltage. In between these two voltages, we are differentiating. We are taking the difference and we are calculating the voltage. Okay, generally the difference we have to get in this meter is really 0 volts. Then only the reference voltage and the unknown voltage we can say that both are equal. Like in this way we are operating this differential voltmeters. Now first we will see the definition of differential voltmeter. Coming to the definition, the voltmeter which measures the difference between, so see this is very important, the voltmeter measures the difference between known and unknown voltages. It is very important. So the we are measuring the difference in between the known and unknown voltages is known as differential voltmeter. It works on the principle of comparison between reference voltage and unknown voltage. It works on the principle of comparison of reference and unknown voltages. Let us see the circuit diagram. So this is the circuit diagram of the differential voltmeter. In this differential voltmeter, so this is a known power supply. So this is a known power supply. So that is we are giving as a reference purpose. We are using as reference purpose. And this is the unknown voltage. Okay. So by varying this potentiometer, the reference voltage is going to be varied. Okay. So when the potentiometer is varying, the reference voltage is varying. Then, so when the reference voltage and the unknown voltage are going to be equal, then there is no current flow in this indicator. This indicator we can call null indicator display. We are calling this null indicator as null indicator display. In this null indicator, if you get the 0 scale voltage reading, then the unknown voltage value is equal to reference voltage value. Then we can say easily this is the unknown voltage value. Like in this way we are saying about the differential voltmeter operation. So this is about the construction details. Now coming to that, the theoretical explanation part. So I have kept the diagram one side, and now coming to here, a basic circuit of differential voltmeter based on the potentiometric method is sometimes also called potentiometric voltmeter. The differential voltmeter sometimes we are calling as potentiometric voltmeter because of the major key role of this differential voltmeter works on the principle of potentiometric resistance, potentiometric variations. So we are calling this as a potentiometric voltmeter. In this method, the potentiometer is varied until the voltage across equals to the unknown voltage, which is indicated by the null indicator reading 0. So I said that the potentiometer we are varying here up to getting the reference voltage, or the null voltage value is going to be 0. That reference voltage value we are varying in this potentiometer for getting the 0. Right. Under null conditions, that means when the 0, if you require, the meter draws the current from neither the reference source or unknown source. So here there is no current we are drawing from the unknown source or the known source, and hence the differential voltmeter presents an infinite impedance to unknown source. So here the differential voltmeter presents an infinite impedance to the unknown source. So that is a basic operation. So this is about the DC differential voltmeter. So this is the DC differential voltmeter. Now if you need any AC differential voltmeter. Now if you need any AC differential voltmeter, what we are doing, this AC differential voltmeter is consisting of an AC to DC converter. That is, here we have a AC to DC converter rectifier network. So see here, first the AC input here we are taking. Here we have an input attenuator, then we have an AC amplifier. So these are the two common blocks in the nowadays. And now coming to here, we have a rectifier circuit, that is AC to DC converter here we have. That means for this block, the input signal is AC. Here the input signal AC and here the output signal is DC. The DC voltages or the DC voltage circuit, that is unknown DC voltage, we are connecting to this null indicator, and the reference section and potentiometric section is already available here. Now after getting this DC voltage, we are varying these resistances up to getting the 0 on the null indication display. So this is about AC. This is about AC voltmeter. This is about AC differential voltmeter. Not only AC voltmeter, it is the AC differential voltmeter. See the diagram carefully. This is the AC differential voltmeter. So it is very simple operation. AC differential voltmeter is a very simple operation. Well, we are giving AC input to input attenuator, next AC amplifier and AC to DC converter. Then we have given our DC differential voltmeter circuit. With this, we have completed DC differential voltmeter. DC and AC differential voltmeters we have completed. Okay, thank you.